Very briefly and very easily, one little topic that will be tested on next week, Friday, is doing basic statistics without the fancy calculator buttons. This is not going to be amazing-ish at all. Would you please write down these fun little data numbers? Those that aren't doing it, please do it now. Basic statistics without a fancy calculator button. These were my bowling scores last week, with bumpers.
Impressive.
Yeah, nice job. All right, just a real super. Well, what's the mode? 21. Is it possible that there is no mode?
Yeah.
Is it possible there are more than one mode?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now the one just little thing I want you to be careful about. When you're using your calculator, and I can't because I'm recording this, using your calculator, don't do this. Don't type in 18 plus 21 plus 21 plus 24 plus 28 plus 31 plus 40 plus 47 divided by 8. Don't do what I just wrote there. Why will you get the wrong answer? Yes, yes, yes. Anyone else? The calculator knows the order of operations. It would divide 47 by 8, then add all the rest. So don't do it that way. Just a little careful thing. If you want to do it all on one line, put it in parentheses and then divide by 8. That will get you the mean properly. Or the other way is to type in all the numbers and hit enter and then divide by 8. No fancy calculator button. I mean, you can use the plus, minus, times, divide. Is range really easy? You just do what minus what? Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Whoa. I'm not done yet. Now, one of the reasons I'm showing you, because this is pretty basic, is to find the median. And you simply do this. Cut out the one in the middle, or one on each end. One on each end. One on each end. Ah, there's 2 in the middle. There's 2 in the middle. So we go 24 plus 28 divided by 2 to find the median. Say yep.
Yep.
All right. Now, sort of the main reason I'm doing this is to find Q1 and Q3. You have 2 numbers in the middle. In theory, look where I'm pointing. In theory, the middle's like right there between those 2, in theory, right?
26.
So what you want to do to find Q1 and Q3 is circle these areas like that. And then a new set of crossing out. Cross out, cross out. Ah, we got 2 in the middle. 21 plus 21 divided by 2. I hope there's a few of you can get that one right. That is Q1. And Q3, cross 1 out on each end. 31 plus 40 divided by 2. Help me out. 30 what.5?
36.5.
Is it?
36.
31 plus 40 divided by 2. IQR, subtract those 2. Yeah. All right. Now one more thing I want to say is the following. Then the next week, I did better bowling. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, almost got 100. Oh, almost got 100. Oh, how great things would have been. All right. The only reason I'm doing this other one is for the median in Q1, Q3. So the median, cross 1 out on each end. cross one out on each end, cross one out on each end. Hey, there's just one number in the middle, it's 80, that's your median. Now, we have an odd number of numbers. Here we had an even number. When you are circling to find your Q1, if there's just one number in the middle, you just ignore the 80 and you circle what's left. And then you can find what's in the middle, Q1 and Q3. That's all that was about. That will be tested on